Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. I'm a little bit on the struggle bus. I had a very packed weekend and I'm tired. We are on the third Advent Sunday, which stands for joy, and we're going to be opening the third Advent lingerie supply box of the Advent calendar of Beware. Just doing it the same as the other weeks, and we still have one surprise box which I'm going to reveal on the Wednesday and one Sunday left. I'm going to get back on why I skipped last week. So, oh well. I just undid this and let me adjust the light. Yeah, and we're going to open it. I'm going to close my eyes and let you see. Oh, and there it goes. Okay, let me switch. Oh, okay.
Have you found time for yourself and your sewing machine in the middle of the Christmas mess? We hope so. You are worth it.
All right, let me switch this. I didn't get any feedback. Oh, look at me making a little bit of commercial for myself. This is by the job. Let's put it around here. No. So let's see. Oh, wow. Wow. We'll take everything out. Today's color palette is butter. Okay, let's look for, there it is, the product list, and we're just going to go through everything. I'm laying it out a little bit so you can see in advance. Wow, I like this color. This is cute. This is cute. Okay, let's go. We have a non-stretch lace right here. Let me see if the light is good. I think you can see it perfectly, but let me open it so you can see it on a single. Do you see that? This is the non-stretch. Beautiful. Just with a scallop edge right there. Really nice. We got 1.5 meters of this. Then we have stretch lace. I don't know if this one is 21 or 22 centimeters, but we have some rose print. Kind of reminds me of the one that I got last year, which is this one right here. It's not the same. It's definitely not the same, but it does remind me of it. Can you see? Oh, hold on. How is it? Oh, really nice. Really nice. So this is a stretch lace. Look, color is rich, beautiful. It really complements what we have here. We have this right here, which is also a stretch lace. It does have some sheen right in the middle. I think that has to be metallic threading. As you can see, it does have a scallop edge right there, but really nice. That really makes for a beautiful panty, by the way, especially if you can do the that the print continues. Wow. Also 1 meter, 1.5 meter. We have some sheer cup lining, which is this. It is there to give you some stability and support. We have power mesh, which is this one right here, also for the support part, you see. We have some rings and sliders. Let's see. Ooh, and some charm. Oh, wow. Look at this. beautiful. I hope you can see it in all its glory. And then we have a cherry. Isn't that nice? Wow, that gives it like an extra touch on whatever bra or bralette or wired bra that you make. We have 4 of the sizes of 1.8. We got 4 of the sizes of 1.5, and we got 2 rings or 2 sliders for each size. We have the strap. Let's see if you can see it correctly. This is a strap elastic, but it has a little bit of a shiny side and a matte on the side. That's 1.8, and we have the same, but then this is 1.5. We have some threads from Gutermann. I find that this is really like a nice touch. We have 3 sizes of closure. As you can see, we have the 3 with the 2 with the 3 by 3. We got the 2 by 3, and we got the 4 by 3. Some channeling, some bra channeling, picot elastic. I think so both of the strap or the band elastics are 1.3 meters. The channeling is 1 meter. The picot elastic, we have we have three sizes of picot elastic. We have the 1 centimeter, the 1.2, and the 1.8. These are the exact match in terms of color. This is a little more yellow, but equally beautiful. And we have some fold over elastic, which is 3 meters. And that is everything. Oh no, that is not true. We have some, let's see, what is this? Isn't this on it? Oh, that's too bad. This looks like it's the mesh, but it's not on the paper. So we have mesh fabric, and we have soft panty fabric, which I do believe that it has a little bit of lycra in it somewhere, but really great. It's really soft, also really soft. So let's put everything together so you can see. Of course, I'm going to take a picture and make like a pan over view so you can see everything. And then we have the beautiful laces right here. Really, really nice. Really, really nice. I like how this came together. So as always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Last week Wednesday, I had a little bit of a lifing situation, so I wasn't able to come online, but I do plan to do a live session on this coming Wednesday at the same time, 8 o'clock Amsterdam time, and then we will open this one. We'll open it for sure. And then we still have package 4, which is the last Advent Sunday. So be there or be square. No. I have a great day.